Hey, wonderful fifth graders. I'm going to explain to you what you'll be doing during reading time today. First, our I can statement or our objective is that we can quote accurately from a text when explaining what the text says explicitly, meaning it's right there in black and white, and when drawing inferences from the text, meaning using the clues from the text plus our schema, what we already know, to piece that inference together. So in order to be able to do this, you have to find text evidence. So you have 3 reading passages that you'll read and you'll find the text evidence. So get ready to be a reading detective. The first thing you need to do is every single one of you need to go to Google Classroom. Once you're on Google Classroom, click Classwork like always. Then you need to find this week, the week of February 16th through the 19th. That's where this week's assignments will be posted. And click on the assignment that says Tuesday, February 16th, Reading Classwork. And as you're finding it, I'm going to go ahead and read the directions. It says you will complete this on Zoom on Tuesday, February 16th. This does need to be completed on Zoom during our reading instruction. What that means is you don't need to wait till 9 o'clock to complete it when your parents are sitting beside you. I need to know what you can and can't do on your own, so you should be completing this right now. The directions. Read the passage. Then read the questions. Then go back into the passage to find your text evidence. Underline or highlight the text evidence using the tools on Seesaw, and I'll model that in just a minute. This is worth 100 points and will be recorded on your report card as a grade. Please make sure to go back into the text and find your text evidence. If you don't do that, it's a 0. The whole point of this assignment is to make sure you're in that practice of going back into the text to find the text evidence. Remember, you need to be completing this on Zoom during reading. When finished, please click the green check mark on Seesaw to submit it to me. Then go back into Google Classroom and click Turn It In. So let me model and show you how to complete this assignment. So you know how to do it. You go ahead and click on the Seesaw link. Remember, for yours, that will bring it up and you'll have to click Log In with Google. Then click your name. We've done this for months and months and months, so you should know how to get into Seesaw. Okay, so you're going to click Add Response. That's a part that some of you still to this day forget to do. Please click the green button that says Add Response. And this box only pops up for me. I'm going to be the sample student. All right, it says find the evidence. Can you find the proof for your answers? Use a crayon in the color shown to underline where you find each answer in the text. Step 1, you need to read the passage. It's right here. Step 2, read the question. Step 3, go back into the text to highlight or underline your text evidence. If you forget what to do, if you click right here, it says View Instructions. There they are again. It's your instructions. They're typed up right there. So you're going to either use this marker tool or this highlighter tool. I'm sorry, I guess this is a pen tool, I guess. The pen tool, the highlighter tool, the marker tool. Doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is that you're using it to find your evidence. And you're also using the correct color. So this says, who wanted to start a holiday for presidents? I'm going to choose the highlighter. And I know it has to be in blue, so I'm going to come over here and click blue. Also, just want to show you this in case you didn't know. You can hold down the highlighter. There we go. And it comes up with different sizes. I like to choose the smallest one. Okay, so I would go back into the text. Who wanted to start a holiday for presidents? Harold Stonebridge Fisher formed a committee to create another holiday that would honor all presidents. Okay, I have that answer. Now I'm going to go on to the one that is yellow. Notice you don't have to type your answers out. All you have to do is highlight or underline them, okay? So you will need to make sure you're answering all these questions using the correct color. Use that correct color by clicking in your color wheel. Then click on page 2. Notice the other pages are here. And page 3, it's the same exact directions for every one of those pages. Once you've answered all the questions on page 1, all the questions on page 2, and all the questions on page 3, you're going to click the green button today. Don't click the orange button. You click the green button. You click that to submit it to me. And then you go back into Google Classroom. You click on the assignment. You click View Assignment. And then you click Turn It In. Remember to take your time as this is graded. It's 100 points and it will be on your report card. Your report cards also will be sent out in 10 days on February 26th. So now is the time for you to complete this assignment. Please make sure you complete it now. Thank you.